Cleaning a car normally takes 50 gallons of water. That's 200 liters in a traditional wash. But with steam cleaning, you need less than a gallon that is under 3 liters. Let's see how this magic works. The powerful machines turn a small amount of water into superheated steam as hot as 400 degrees, blasting out with the strength of 290 psi. In seconds, 3 things happen. The heat breaks down grease and oil at the molecular level. The pressure drives steam deep into cracks, flushing out hidden dirt and bacteria. The extreme heat kills 99.99% of germs and viruses instantly, with no chemicals needed. And the best part? No toxic cleaners, no wastewater runoff. Just pure steam that vanishes in seconds. Cars, buses, kitchens, factories, even hospitals. In areas where brush can't reach, steam cleaning can. Compared to old school methods, it's faster, safer, and eco-friendly. Would you try it? To know more, browse www.fortidor.com.